Homemade Cranberry Crumble Coffee Cake Recipe. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. I'm Rashawn, and today, we've got a delightful treat in store for you. We're making a delicious cranberry crumble coffee cake that's perfect for any time of the day. It's a sweet and tangy coffee cake topped with a buttery crumble and loaded with juicy cranberries. So, let's dive right into it. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup sour cream. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1½ cups fresh or frozen cranberries. For the crumble topping. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze, optional. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 2-3 tablespoon milk. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 centimeters baking dish. Step 2. Make the crumble topping in a mixing bowl. Combine the flour, granulated sugar, cold cubed butter, and ground cinnamon. Use a pastry cutter or your fingers to work the butter into the dry ingredients until it resembles coarse crumbs. Set the crumble topping aside. Step 3. Prepare the cake batter in a large mixing bowl. Cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. Mix the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Step 5. Add the cranberries. Gently fold in the cranberries into the cake batter, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Step 6. Assemble and bake. Pour the cake batter into the prepared baking dish. Sprinkle the crumble topping evenly over the cake batter. Step 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 45-50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and the top is golden brown. Step 8. Optional glaze. While the cake is cooling, you can prepare a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar and milk. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake for an extra touch of sweetness. Step 9. Serve and enjoy. Slice your cranberry crumble coffee cake, serve it up with a hot cup of coffee or tea, and savor the delightful blend of sweet, tangy, and buttery flavors. And there you have it, folks. A mouthwatering cranberry crumble coffee cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Leave your comments down below, and let me know what you'd like to see next on Miss Coffee Baby. Until next time, happy baking!
Celebrate love in a unique and enchanting way with our Valentine with Skeleton Couple 2024. This heart-shaped frame features a beautiful brown color adorned with red roses and green leaves, creating a romantic atmosphere. The skeleton couple stands together as a symbol of everlasting love. With its captivating design and heartfelt symbolism, this Valentine's Day decoration is perfect for adding a touch of charm to your home or gifting to someone special. Embrace the beauty of love with our Valentine with Skeleton Couple 2024.